Hi, good morning. This is Almeret Tagapan. I am a product of Rizal Memorial State University, Dipolog campus, and currently teaching at Doña Natividad Almacias Integrated School. I was asked to answer these following questions. The first one here, we have the strategies that the school takes to create linkages and harmonious relationship with parents, guardians, and other stakeholders. With regards to the first question, which talks about the strategies that our school adopted to strengthen the relationship or the linkages of the school to the stakeholders, we are having this what we call the SIP crafting. In our SIP crafting, we are inviting our stakeholders, and that meeting will be sharing the problems that being encountered by the school. And at that moment, our barangay officials will be the attendee of that meeting. They are going to contribute something. They're going to provide solutions with the problems that we are encountering. So at that moment, there will be projects coming from our barangays, and our problems within the school will also reach to the mayor's office for it to be responded. So that's really what happens. With regards to our parents, of course, we're having this what we call the general PTA meeting. So in general PTA meeting, so since last semester, we are having this what we call the modular learning modality. So whatever the problems the parents encountered in their home with regards to the students' learning, it will be raised during our meeting. Okay, Okay, so let's proceed to the second question. Here is it. How teachers establish and promote professional links with their colleagues? Okay, in our school, we are having this what we call camaraderie. Okay, so we believe that the school will develop once each of the individuals within the group, for example, the teachers, will be helping with one and another. So what we did is, when somebody asks you a favor, you're going to respond to it. So that's really how it works. And that matter also, you could able to strengthen the relationship of your colleagues. Okay, you shouldn't have your own world. You have to make yourself belong to them. So in that manner, you have to interact with them. If there's a possibility that they will be sharing an information or a suggestion, you have to accept it wholeheartedly. So in that manner, you are expressing a respect to your colleagues, and you shouldn't think of yourself that you are highly to them. So that's really the big thing that could strengthen the relationship of the colleagues. Okay, so not all of the times that you can function as an individual only. So there will be programs that requires all of the teachers to respond to it. So as a professional, you will be helping one and another. So with that action, there will be a development of your school. However, if the teacher will fail to do it, there's a possibility that there will be no development at all. Okay, so the Learning Action Cell really plays a vital role in teaching development. It will be conducted every quarter. And every quarter, as we are having that last session, we are refreshing our knowledge. We are refreshing our responsibilities. Any Republic Acts related to education, the programs that will be integrated into our lesson. So we are discussing vast of information just to develop ourselves, and that will be discussed by our master teachers, principals, or any prominent individuals coming from the Department of Education. And aside from that, the highlight of having the last session is having a demonstration. Teachers will demonstrate, and they will be corrected of how they were going to deliver the lessons. There will be suggestions in that we're able to develop ourselves, being as better as a version of being who we are as a teacher. That's really what the function of the last session. I think that's all. Thank you.